Have you ever wondered about the origins of the Igbo gods? Where did they come from? How did they earn their place in the pantheon of deities revered by the Igbo people of Nigeria? Today we delve into the rich tapestry of Igbo mythology, tracing the journey of these gods from their inception to their place in contemporary Igbo society. In the beginning, there was only Chi, the supreme deity, a genderless entity that embodied the universe's creation and sustenance. The Igbo people believe that every individual has a personal Chi, a spiritual double, guiding and protecting them throughout their life. As time passed, the Igbo people began to recognize other deities, each representing different elements of life and nature. These gods, known as Arusi, were believed to be the children of Chi, serving as intermediaries between Chi and the people. Among the most revered Arusi was Ala, the earth goddess, who was also the goddess of morality, fertility, and creativity. Her dominion extended to the underworld, making her a link between the world of the living and the dead. Then there was Amadioha, the god of thunder and lightning, often compared to the Greek god Zeus. Known for his sense of justice, Amadioha was the one you sought when you needed a fair judgment. The history of Igbo gods took a significant turn in the late 15th century with the arrival of the Portuguese traders. With them, they brought Christianity, introducing the concept of a singular all-powerful God named Jesus. This new deity was different from the Igbo gods, and his introduction led to a clash of beliefs that continues even today. Despite the influence of Christianity, the Igbo gods have endured, their stories passed down through generations. Today they are a vital part of Igbo culture, serving as a link to the past and a reminder of the Igbo people's rich heritage. In conclusion, the history of Igbo gods is a captivating tale of spirituality, culture, and endurance. From the supreme deity Chi to the numerous Arusi, these gods have shaped the Igbo people's beliefs and traditions. Despite the introduction of Christianity and the ensuing conflict of faiths, the Igbo gods have managed to retain their significance, proving their resilience and the enduring power of cultural heritage.